This is the series Shopify promotion, Grow with BOGOS app. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up Shopify volume discount for your store. All right, let's get started. 1. What is a volume discount? A volume discount is a pricing strategy where the unit price decreases as customers buy larger quantities. Say you're selling blush with this pricing structure. If customers buy from 3 to 5 items, they'll get 20% off for each. If they buy 8 blush, since 8 falls in the 6 to 10 range, they get 25% off, which means $44.25 for each, instead of $59. Set up Shopify volume discount. Shopify doesn't yet support volume discounts as a built-in feature, so you'll need a third-party app to set this up. And 50,000 Shopify stores recommend using BOGOS, the top-rated promotion app with over 2,000 reviews. To say about setting up volume discount with BOGOS, I have to say it's easy to set up and run smoothly with large scale, but also have many flexible setup options. Let's dive into the setup and you'll see. Step 1. Install BOGOS app for your Shopify store. Step 2. Go to BOGOS dashboard, then All Offers, click Create Offer. Start with Discount Offer. Choose Volume Discount to start creating. Step 3. Set up the basic information. Discount name means the internal label for easy management within BOGOS. The widget title is what customers see on your product page, so make it appealing. Block description helps customers understand your offer better or to convince them to claim it. For example, I'll go with, stock up on your favorites as you'll need it anyway. Then start time or end time to schedule your offer ahead if needed. Step 4. Let's move on to Offers field. First, choose your display type between quantity options, perfect for aiming to sell at one specific quantity. Let shoppers select variant, quantities, and add to cart directly on a widget. Quantity discount table. Perfect for aiming to sell different ranges like this, showing a clear breakdown of all discount tiers, with quantity, variant selection, and add to cart above. Second, select what products the volume discount applies to. BOGOS offer many options to help better match your sales strategy. For example, I'll start with any products. Third, choose quantity rule. There are 2 options. Only count same products means customers must buy multiple quantities of the exact same item. For example, 5 of the same t-shirt to get the discount. Count different products means customers can mix and match different items to reach the quantity threshold. For example, 3 t-shirts plus 2 lip sticks equals 5 items total for the discount. Step 5. Set up your discount tiers. Basically, you can add, delete, and edit tier information however you want. It's fully customizable. The 2 display types I mentioned above have the same tier setup, but if you choose quantity options, you'll get 2 extra options, label and pre-selected. I'll explain those after we cover the general setup first. Okay, let's switch back to the quantity discount table. My advice is to decide your quantity ranges first and write them in the titles. This makes the rest of your setup much easier. For example, buy 2 for Tier 1, buy from 3 to 5 for Tier 2, buy over 6 for Tier 3. However, of course, you can write the title in other ways to best fit your strategy. Once finished, set the quantity by filling in the minimum quantity of your range, like what I'm doing now on the screen. Then choose your discount type and value across all tiers. Finally, customize how each tier displays. Add subtitles for more details or a small CTA. Customize tags to standardize your offers. Remember, the key is highlighting each tier's unique benefit, so customers know which one suits them. For quantity options, you get extra features like labels to show discount amounts and pre-selected options to highlight your preferred tier. Once everything is done, look at the preview widget on your right to make sure everything is set up correctly. Finally, click Publish, and your volume discount is now live and ready to boost your sales. But not done yet. After finishing your setup, don't forget to customize your volume discount widget. BOGOS offers 2 powerful display formats, and each has its own customization options. However, they're quite the same. Your job is just to customize from the available content options to customize the colors to match your store's branding. If you don't know how to match your theme with the widget, click here for help. The BOGOS team will help you freely customize colors. Finally, click Save and let's see how it looks on your store. Under the product description, a stunning widget instantly grabs my attention. I'll click to buy 4 lip balm and yeah, the discount is automatically applied now. So, want to have a highly converting volume discount like what BOGOS provides? Utilize 7 free-day trial link in the description to try it out. Final advice for your volume discount. If possible, keep your promotions fresh by switching between gifts, bundles, upsells, and discounts. You can utilize BOGOS app since it supports all 4 promotion types. Thanks for watching. It's the series Shopify Promotion, Grow with BOGOS. We are BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.